G'day guys, welcome to the Good Vibes Garage. Well, today we're talking about Escorts of the different kind, and we're going to be showing you this one here that I'm going to be selling, and we're going to the workshop where they rebuild and restore Escorts. They even do 4-door to 2-door conversions, and wait till you see the quality of their work. He's also got a genuine 2-door for sale, fully restored, silver rear end. It's a wicked machine. And he's also got a V8 Hilux. I can't believe this thing. And this thing sounds sensational. It's a beast, dual exhaust, so forth. Anyway, we're going to go and check that out, but I thought I'd just show you what else I've got in the garage. We've only just kicked off, but I've got this awesome Harley here, 1250. And there's my ADV. I'm going to rent it out, long term only, minimum 1 month. So hit me up if you're looking for a bike. And yeah, let's go and check out these Escorts. G'day from Huayai. Back to the cars. And you guys might remember this place. I came here because there was a HQ Holden here with a 1UZ V8 in it. But John, he contacted me because he's got his Ford Escort that he'd like to sell. Obviously wanted to come out here and have a look at this green beast that I showed ages ago when it was getting built, and it's now finished. This is now complete. This has got a Nissan Silvia rear end in it, disc brakes, double wishbone suspension. And John's car, we'll show that under the bonnet. So that's got a Toyota twin cam in it as well. And this thing here, this old Hilux, look at that. Got a V8 in it. You wait till you hear this thing. I'll get him to start it up. It's wicked. It's got bigger discs on the front. Look at it, big calipers. I think I might buy this. I think I might sell the Colorado and buy this. What do you reckon, guys? Auto. Wait till you hear it. So he's doing this all up. And it's got massive big brakes on it, like I said. 300,000 baht. Woo. But this is part of the Good Vibes Garage. So John contacted me because he wanted to store his Escort with me, and for me to sell it for him on consignment. So we've come here first. Oh, Mark II. Mark II, that's been converted to a 2-door. Yeah, this man here is the genius that's now got this for sale, and this is about 180 horsepower. Yeah. Toyota twin cam. This thing is fully rebuilt. Silvia rear end, double wishbone, disc brakes, original. Air conditioning, power steering, beautiful seats, fully restored. And original 2-door, this one?
Yeah, original 2-door.
Original 2-door. And this is for sale. As you see it, never been really driven since he's restored it. 1.4 million baht. And John's car, this one here, he can do the same as this. So it'll take him about 6 months, convert it from a 4-door to a 2-door, new suspension, Silvia rear end, big brakes on the front, a 2-litre turbo Toyota motor, good for around 400 horsepower.
Can. When ECU tuning.
So anyway, John's car as it sits has got a Toyota twin cam in it anyway. It's got aircon, no power steer, but it's a good project. Like, imagine giving it to this man and saying, fully restore my car. Pick the colour you want, pick the wheels you want, pick the engine you want, you can leave that engine in it. So it'll be about 600,000 to fully restore it, convert it to a 2-door, new interior, power steering. Everything would be done. Or if you wanted a bigger engine with a turbo, the Toyota 2-litre turbo, 800,000 baht. So you think about it, if you bought that, and that one fully done is 1.4. What do you think? Check this out, guys. I'm standing out the front of my joint, and there's a Holden. It's a Holden Commodore right next door. Wow, amazing. What's that doing here? I think my neighbour's having a party. It's their birthday. Anyway, back to the Good Vibes Garage. All right, guys, back at the Good Vibes Garage Pattaya headquarters. Don't know why I'm hitting the bonnet on that, but anyway, hope you enjoyed those couple of Escorts, including this beast that's for sale and with me, and the green beast. That's what Good Vibes Pattaya Garage is all about. Helping expats buy and sell cars, restore cars, store cars, source cars, bikes, you name it. And we've even got, don't worry about your prized possession, we've got this thing here, and don't judge a book by a cover. She's not just fluffy and cute, she's a monster, and she'll attack you. Anyone that comes in this garage, she just attacks. Don't you, Lily? Yeah. Woo, look, she's attacking me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you need anything or you want to contact me, my line QR code is up on the screen, or my email, goodvibespattaya@gmail.com. See you soon.